For now what Jesus here now what for fra wo twedi ampo nyankrompon no de adom ye nim se wase nwuma pasi wo de beko awieye pa be bia wo bia no ya mo ham akwa abamra so mamuni amawuto obi so nsam a yakekese ne awieye ye ba ne de ba besom mo aha Sompa television so o tie nka obono ne afomantem ne mo aha Sompa 98.9 FM sa obono east ya Sompa 90.7 FM ekutemo na asantemantam ne mpotam nyina Sompa 93.1 FM so ekure mu anopai ensam no edoso na poso awie enie mampanida da John Dramani mama ene NDC amanyoko ne kabom ekolanche wo manifesto ko dadi de ekira mansan na ensam obobo so no yeberam na yede hunkomo awie pa
ora John Dramani mama shabo wo se nyame ya dom na wo ba Wabarasa senior high and it's your power on free Wi-Fi ebeko.
Na Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so Kaiman Peninde da John Dramani mama senior ka say Ghana for yen kayasem na yere free ade ntem no o kai no say Ghana for ye kayasem pa na fisu so no ye be kai ne nsem bia ode ekire Ghana for.
On monya fari kopoku akasa was 2024 year fiaba toya beto no Ghana for to the ma NDC and a padie omu obi kwa.
Area Sompa FM ne Sompa TV nsem twefo de ani bekwa kodi so me interchange no a contractors no eye echi yatese adwumayefo no a wo any contractors ne ye adwuma no eco strike e de asem na esie ye bekọ ne akwa de eco so pa.
Afeye no da central for shemu de ye aye John Dramani Mahama na sempo mampanya be de echi Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wana Ghana for ye ewo enkramantem no ensam pinoa ene wabroso
abzafo weni afoforo pinoa ne yakekese ne ne se kase ababia wo bia no awieye ba ne de aba besom mo yemfaseda ema enyuma ekoyi
Express Group na ya kan for dia mawo yase akonto mu nsam nyina no edawo mo abam 21st clinic in so yesiatica expert OCP Ghana Limited what the OCP fertilizers and so ade aba 21st clinic was a sciatica no afei mizo and 5G atayachi liberty conference no nyame ya adoma memenda ye di animu yi na eba so through herbal center the through core capsules koko master dro no at the tayachi wani nyimeko ahodo won madoma so yasene shano nsansa modro ya bakenkan nyina no yakrocha di akogo aba frontenta fidie no so aye www.sompaonline.com ko abenya bi no wakenkan Facebook no ya Sompa 93.1 and YouTube aya Sompa TV asonfo ya atana senadwo wasana abosonda to so aduonu nsia bakenkan sam yi adiama wo ayeme akosia eje wakode boaten mene
nana ya bo amali bia boga
ensami
abzafo yen hyase emfamfiri mampanida da John Dramani mama ne ndisi amanyuku na tena ye na no memenda ene ne ejebo wajebo eja emfa ne ne sasabra ya brwa kotu dwenyire kire no abrabo mode ye brabro yipema kwamu a ndisi amanyuku no omo manifesto mutirimopo omo nsusuye omo adwene ne kwanya omo peso mode omo ye efaso se ye dantumi dia amanyuku ne mampanida da John Dramani mama onomo ekopa ho ntuma eko edadi ekira mansan ewo mtintin mantemu wi ne babonten so na mampanida da John Dramani mama nkoma one Ghana fo diye ewo eye mtintin mantemu wi ne babonten so no na obobobobo eniema se Ghana fo ye na dom ne yesaso de tumi ma ne bio December bosum de toso so abato no aye lazy ebutu na yemie makwakoto no se de tumi ma no eniema obedi eye mampaninu a obedi ka aye ne ntenten ebine so se na watchim yenu pepepe kese na watchim yenu ntwam de na soafo a wonu omo eye adwuma nyina no na wapa wonum edomu di akwa mrasre jafo no watwenem semrasre jafo no beduso wonum ne fine kekawa bia ni womo a womo age womatum no ma ababebo ne aye adwuma eno cha broso na bosome miensa Bebo swe miensa de na ke so bi bia o ye adwuma e wona bam so be DCA se obe CEO se obe bia o bi bia o so de ne kwose bia no bo swe miensa chi de na ke so wapa wonum nyina awia wonom ebebo no aye adwuma eno che susu no kire se eba ne 11 num ene COVID-19 levia eno so esense Ghana fo komu a ne nyina ba be she bo swe miensa adwuma obeyenum na broso a bebo so me nan bo so bi num de na ke so watene se de free sa de mani nyina wa oman no wahase a wo hyehye foforo mampanida da John Dramani Mahama nsamwa wo de tudwa wo wini babonten so ene
5G and low earth orbit systems to improve the quality of education. Will institute inquiries or forensic audits into the following matters of public interest: 1. MPP's collapse of indigenous Ghanaian banks and financial institutions at a supposed cost of 25 billion Ghana cedis. Will institute an audit into the illegal printing of money by the Bank of Ghana to finance the corrupt Akufo-Addo Bawumia administration. We will investigate the 58 million National Cathedral scandal. We will investigate the COVID-19 expenditure scandal. We will investigate corruption scandals including the PDS, Ejapa, SML, ambulance spare parts, 13th All-African Games, SkyTrain, Palugu Dam, mass sets, Galamsey fraud, missing excavators, missing tricycles, illegal and inflated single source contracts, bus scandals, and many others. Launch the following priority job creation programs in the budget. The first is Ejumawura. That is the entrepreneurial project to promote 10,000 young entrepreneurs and mentor them. The 1 million coders program will roll out a Made in Ghana agenda to promote the production and consumption of locally produced goods, particularly through leveraging of government spending power.
For Rema Dani Ranwan, Senoma Penida, John Dramani Mama, Yetini, Keningina, a Yimfifi Mantum Unibabonten Somra, na NDC Amanyukuno, or more Eda, or more manifesto, D, Achre Amansai.
Na afabe no yera John Dramani Mahama wa mana so ho no ba be kyerem sa okwankwo fama man so titiru ane amama ho doye age din na tumpon no a enioma ya ono anka sa watena se susu ehunu se amasa man ni tumpon pa ene ya kan se technology enam saya so ntene nyame ya dom ama oba betena konya so oba senior high schools ahodo a atwa ma Ghana ho ahia ne suapon ne ya kan se universities no wabarasa wifi ebeye free na aboa masakoba so obi ye research anase bibi etesa woni anu wamra ho kra afei digital jobs initiative so wabano baba tena konya so wapa wontoma na anipa ba sampema hasa ani akire Ghana mabunku a won manya adwumaye
5G and low Earth orbit systems to improve the quality of education across the country by extending course tutorials to students everywhere. We have good masters in different schools. And so for us, perhaps the best mathematics master is in Wesley Girls. The best French teacher is in Ghana Secondary School. The best geography teacher is in GSTS. Ghana Education Service will select these teachers and they will teach, they will be filmed teaching the course online. They will teach online and we'll upload this course content on YouTube. And so you can go on YouTube and download what you want. If it's mathematics, you download it. If it's geography, you download it. But at the same time, it will be available on demand. And because we're going to put Starlink internet satellites on every secondary school, the teachers can use the Starlink to show the children the demonstration by these teachers. And so you can be in Bunkurgu Secondary School. The best maths master in Wesley Girls will be teaching you.
I was telling her, Kanema Penny, John Dramani Mahama.
Nabuzan for Mampenina, John Dramani Mama, and Common Swan, which and na Osrega Namadi, she said when he and Yadjane see a quacotoba, the Ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and the MPP Amanyukuni, a tuaba, and the Ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and the MPP Amanyukuni Biwa, na a Mampenina, and other Danko Kufado Noir, and the Asaswa Yinwatuaba Biu, say only on my soon to Abasre, so don't for ya dum, Nakachamada Bujemuja de Mofusa. Any and chatting Caboni Bianeja, Numpitu, Numpusuna with the editor with the so near Shia Kukumutu, Shata Quatuaba, December Bosmede Toson Soa, Yentuaba, and former ND Saman, you could not see so many ye, and ma, I won't say any at Tetania Tepi and Nemuno or more any free honomai.
Many domestic and foreign investors have adopted a wait and see attitude. Many of them I have met have told me that they are waiting for a signal from the Ghanaian people that the political and business environment is going to change for the better, that we're going to effect a change of course so that we can provide a reasonable environment for them to put in their investments. Ladies and gentlemen, the Holy Book in Matthew 25:14-30 tells one of the parables of Jesus Christ, and this is the parable of the talents. This parable teaches us to invest whatever is put in our care wisely for the benefit of our master. The master in this case is the people of Ghana. This administration is just like the last of the servants who buried his talents that was given to him by his master, and when his master came, he returned the 1 talent to him. But in this case of Akufo-Addo and Bawumia and their cabal, they did not bury the 1 talent and give us back our 1 talent when we returned. They gambled with the talents that we gave them, and they landed the people of Ghana in a huge debt. We cannot continue on this path. Lessons must be learned from the experience of these last almost 8 years. A vote for the MPP will be an expression of satisfaction with the impunity of the last 8 years. A vote for the MPP is a vote for a 3rd term for Nana Akufo-Addo.
Zanfonti we manpenida da John Dramani Mahama and not yet in King.
Ora Eric Opoku, Yera John Dramani Mahama, Omo campaigner. Wapa hon to man no adano wano na kasa de ma won mefa no agriculture ho nsem so na wa church mo sa endi se manyoko no ne pa bebrea won ma bono bedama se wode bra Ghana fo titiru ene ya nanan makuafo na de won ma ne se nyame ya dom na NDC betena konya so a farmers cooperative system won besan so ade ababiem na anuoma wodo ya bua makua ya da ye nikan ya kono no won matumu ahyemu kina na enobaye na timi adoso pa me nanan makuafo won watumi aheha wonom na ebra no wakasa no ene wasan so kirem se ene won besan so kwa aboa na insurance ahodo no akuafo so sa kabia ebetumi aboa na wo hyehyeye akoyi
Nevisa agenda we eno me be ma yama yes so the possibility food security ene be ma aduane abu ama obi anya bia aduane no bu a o fa aduane no fa ya fo na obi a tumi tobi because aduane no bu na me bo de obi a tumi tobi a food security okay so o fa aduane ya bu no ya bia me ya concern about nutrition but the produce aduane a quality no we bia e be boa wona kutem ne afa ni safety ya dey free farm o e ba no so ya bo ho ban aduane ama fa obi no okonya problem bia okay the agriculture no enso be boa me ye nyuma ye de keti nyuma ama manche no mabawa enya bia ye afei the agriculture ko ya so e be boa ama omen ye exchange rate na aye basa ko no wiem no wa no exchange rate na mahama time uguta $1 na ye 4 cedis no ene aye $1 ka kremna do 60 cedis ama nyuma nyina egu no ye be the agriculture so ama e dia ba form na be aboa ama Ghana free eta amni ye ni mo e dey be bibia fe no feed Ghana program no say ya fi program ahodo bebre food Ghana program na say eno le be ma aduane agu and the feed Ghana no ye boka wo say e wo fe Ghana aduane e bi no ma mu di eti dua eti e wo say e ma resource of agricultural sector na ye ti dua aduane ma Ghana ni be bia nya aduane bi se be ya food import bill no kai de kan ya ni bebre ba no e so beti so in say in 2024 budget na abambo ya mane say afima ku bia Ghana spend over $2 billion and they declare the ameba omen they want to keep $2 billion na and they are now $32 billion Ghana cedis and they declare the amenkwa but they are yekra mako yekra increase because now no tomato producers and exporters no all they dey to be babon say eh tomato not the 2018 yekra $99.5 million if we Burkina Faso no say a paid more Ghana cra $400 million and a different Burkina Faso and the Ghana
Anwoche no panyi pai to so echem wo so kwa Canada won mo hyehye bia won ma ya ebo akuafo pa no so NDC amanyuku no ade bibeba
the car manifesto you identify the beer insurance you are better like that actually quite the amount for the Ghana irrigation development authority you was all listening why at the establish because you have a human and the economic growth over now irrigation and you the beer you better like you have to check on the beer million no all ka for head down how because you that you friend dag out the only problem what that all say the do our way that out now family data ubakona insurance nyadai eni ya insurance da obi dia irrigation ama aye dia no ye be yesa ade so be ya e ma hopo no tie dia no ba no kama aye na woni okoba bi ti Canada ya ko Canada se ko ya do mi o irrigation o man ye ko bi ye no irrigation na kasa no o man ya private entities and the manager for no one irrigation after for no na the government no atua na ka e wo the service no na asafo ba ho na ofia for no bia o mo eno ba ye be ya o man no benya aduane afidi obi a no mo transport bi gwa dey enya ska
I was sorry at all can ye ora Eric Opokuno no and this yamanyoko no one manifesto ya na watchwe or pa want to man one na kasa dia ma wo mo e fa no agree ho nsem.
Abuzanfo enfamon free NDC amanyuku na kache na yemfamon ko MPP amanyuku num nenra Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia friends and chefo wo mayimo ene o mayi intro do ni ntwi asaso o chibewiate o chiache nkranchen kwanta mampamhwe nom ne yese bia hudo nyina siemra na one yem amutu mai kakra na Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene nsem chefo obotu mai enra awakra pompede mante mefre nwumre be no num ene fade kosi no nkro no ena okai kane mampani dada John Dramani mama se na dwere ne se Ghana for ye refi asem a Ghana for fi asamsa enti se ni ono no kaye se Ghana for short memory ntie ya na ade na fa ha na pie na ababesene kono Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia chese atete ni atepoya kane mampeni dada John Dramani mama de o mayim ene emu ade hye fa so no Ghana for mfi Ghana for da so akai ya odonfo ya duma December bosome ne de toso so abato a ye kwakoto ni nyina ebede disabre no
me being an economic messiah supposedly who has failed. Sometimes I get a little surprised and amazed the former president when he talks about economic mismanagement, because he should know his own record. I mean, we don't all have short memories. We really don't all have short memories. His record in economic management, what he left us with in 2016 was an abysmal record. It's just an abysmal record. We had endured doomsday for 4 years with all the destruction of industry and livelihoods that happened. People died because of doomsday. Hospitals. The National Health Service was virtually collapsed. Remember, we are basically back to a cash and carry system. The National Ambulance Service was virtually dead. We had maybe about 37 ambulances for the whole country. Unemployment as a result was very high. Agriculture, GDP growth had declined to 3.4%. 3.4%. Agricultural growth had declined to 2.9%. And of course, industry growth had collapsed because of doomsday. Unemployment was high. There was a freeze on public recruitment as a result. And the banking sector was on the verge of collapse. We have
Abzanfonti we Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Enra Tumaya na onensem chefo ebono na okai kanema mpeni dada John Dramani mama se Ghana for yerinfi asem kra.
Abro na Enra Bawumia waka sano sentrofo nya kwanya ebisa nsem. Na asem ba ko no gentre ha social media no so bia. Ananam so pa ayasa atuwa hodo ye nei amampanya be de chechira sadodo no awoba obeyi de afiri ho yabesa ahyase foforo ebi kurampo ho no mu a obetetete so ne ade no ana sentrofo kire se na asa kwanya we nyina na sanim de yi a wo kaya Ghana fo asum dedede yi ase wa ban de teso ejanka ye ne yi anka bebo pa no ze we bibia mu no ye fra ma no ne yesane enu ti ne ye won ye friend se manifesto no enti wakuru kire bibia de agusu anyame yi adom no betena konya so a wobara so obeye san hye na mana yi na wobisa se aso sasa nuoma no nyina no sa wo ya ne na sɛden kana ho ɔde betumi a daache wɔtena akonya so a ɛde na obetumi ayɛ ama Ghana fo yɛ ho atumi ayɛ ha yɛn ɛna sɛ ɔhwɛ budget no akɔpie mu ɔmrahyɛ odwafie no kora no a ɛnyɛ vice president budget ya na mmom ɛma mpanyini budget ya wɔde yɛ na dwuma ntie wɔ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ no mu a wɔno ankasa ne nsa entumi nro so.
Wanted to do these tax reforms, import duty, flat tax, tax amnesty, and so on. But why don't I do it now? And why do I want to? I must have a manifesto. Otherwise, if I do everything now, if I could, what would I do when I come into office? I mean, how can you do everything now? Even President Mahama, former president, who was president, I'm only vice president, but he was president. Why didn't he do everything then? I mean, why is he coming back? He had full authority. I don't have full authority. The budget that has gone to Parliament, which has been passed, is not my budget. Is it my budget? It's not my budget. The budget goes in the name of the president. It doesn't go in the name of the vice president. But when you have to think about what new do you want to do, you come up with new ideas. And I've come up with new ideas, which I want to do when we come into office. Everyone who is running for office, whether you are Kamala Harris or you are Bawumia, you still have to think about what you have to do when you get into office.
Where am I panya be children some can be and yakoti.
Abzafo eguso ademu Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia tumaya wonen semchefo eboye won krepompenemantam enra noa na ade ba ko a Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia semchefo ko busa no ema no eyi ano eye ade bia yeso o matuden se eye flat rate ne wo mo kokra ne ma free amanfo nkru so begu o mayi mo eye duty no a eye no mutua wotema habone takrade habone kutuka international airport ne prempe de Wamf airport yi kesiske o mutua ne port charges no enna na amanfo busa ne se odin susu bi ba se odonfo ye na dom na Ghana for dane tumi manoa obe flat rate ya NES ye mu adaka na ade ba de oso tua na betua se ye kai se be du na ode se container mu a enfo ni du eye no ene de oso tua no eno na obetua na nipa pi no a eye ne se ase ne vice president kekeka no nya de betimi aye adwuma na opani bi a wabene eba no eye port ne habo dwumadie mu a ene sa so ba tax wonsensem a wabene mu pa eye ura Francis boy o say emfato a Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia edi Togo for eye no ne kwan so ano no Togo port no enye free port sene na amanfo esika no ene sene Vice President eka no so ne Vice President ya adwene ye o sika nketen a okra niema na okoyi o Togo port no so a ubetua eno no eya na eko aban ho enti sene amanfo adwene ye o mo se Togo no ye free port no o se one Vice President ya adwene se enye free sa ye usika utua edema ba no bi na o mayi so no ye de eba no Ura Francis boy enchemu awode ma ye ni
me kwa ko clear sanka me ko website no ko clear no mana ma me nanka mo tie duty so no we share wo report ho ne se so the back of now se shipping line no dey ship no na dey no one buy the ba mo so beje kapita the kai sanka buy edge no the se sanka beje capability no you get tax ni pa na ono mo ye business get na ni business na wo ye no ono se no man cost ni no no nyam paso na abaya timi agisa ni income tax and business tax no o hwe ni manifesto na report meaning dia no 19 no na o ka report dia but we can manifesto na o mo de buy na dia o mo ntia na report no collective taxes no so the tax we have about 22 different taxes and we also the EDF na what it is so and the tax custom with no kwampo no e be 20% e be about so about 10% VAT no so e be ni na kwa ka bo is around 22% good afford o kra no ma ba you are more than 50% of the amount now which you are able to apply broker no no say oba obi be to so tell there due to that normal na your crab no
Fonto Penny Francis Boy and Yetin and Kewe Bra. Now, Omahini Yodubu Atanasi or maybe are singing actually what the Achebia Jumedia so or some perfume, some television so and Uray at the census year we better Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Semnaso.
Area from Tobacco Sia Bonabusia when you go see our share was so gusua 80. Yat one Semnaso, quite so about 1 person so. Wapanye Pay or Yamasho, Johnny or Yura Kingsley Nyakun and what did to Jar Atrasa, Saquatra Mount to man watch any pa. Yera John Dramani Mahama send your word John and Numuo. Now I said your bass a dear, Obama Maya Sabro Chirino Wabua. Dada Kawabetana Kunyasukranwa, Kagana for the Sabaguiti, and I'm sorry, soon to was Saragana for some be a mistake Kura, Magana for and few womo. Sawa Mosa or Tuabani BMD Mayra John Dramani Mahama, and yes, dear, and may be a dear no more by a fear nine, or my Ghana, Yadian Sabaguiti.
Petrol and a gas. Ghana for who say, Madam Mahama, and then you pa was here to mention the same. As a person, the Aquachi. Will be our pet to me for 4 years. Then probably not mine. I'm kind of correct. See, I'm a said, as it over, I'm say I'm going to introduce 1-term insurance plan. They couldn't do it. The pana or cast mountain or southbound chance say, to man obey ABCD, Minya, Obedinadiana, I say, Quatica. Also amount to my team Muntie Muhammad or cat a sema on yet. Almost say maybe or say community day schools, I put 200 almost fees number 29. Minoka say you increase from 29 to 60. And the 31 account. School blocks are built within our almost 8 years, about 3,000 of them, across the length and breadth of our schools in this country.
I was your way a year rocking Slinyako, no task on Jimmy Dear Sonkwana, oh dear, was Santamantemo. I know Wakasawa said, and watching no senior lawyer Charles Owusu, one also Casaga Crassa Bernard Rousseau, Sir Tescon, and Pipia Mayokono, a show one and one you may pinuemu.
That this election has to do with the soul of our country and have to do the development of the youth. So I have decided on my own, with my own money, for the sake of the country and my party, to go around Tesco to ginger them, to give them the base support. That is why I've changed the thing from commitment without inducement to commitment with inducement. Look at the Tescon people standing here today. Have you seen them? Yeah. For where you go, Kakra. Utim so we are young. We are strong. Oma ko school, oma ka brofo, oma ka twi, ebika pepe, ebika adangbe. Say
I want you know former Tescon president, the Mark and Tapia Minka University of Skills Training Entrepreneur Development. Aura Ishmael Owusu, one so kasakakra.
Utayentia si 2 years who see us and then my best from Tescon. After Abana yeah, I was nipa foforɔ no ɔmo nso de fresh ideas about on board na ɔmo timi bɛtoa Tesco na dima no so na yɛhwɛ no we ni election year nti yɛntimi ntena sɛ yɛyɛ fanfare a yɛ handing over actual citations ne asɔre kɔ yɛmfie mu daa bi yɛayɛ yɛadwen sɛ mmerɛ a yɛnya emie school yɛ a yɛbɛma kwan yi akwan manum no emu obia enkonkoten na obi wo hu ne say aside Tesco no okọ no constituency a wonim de wo so okoye the sent ne ebo a emabunu na no ya mpanyifo nso de o ma no disem ebeta de di kan na chi se constituency bia wo mu bia no se amakwan a enye excuse so kwa akotiada na emum constituency bia fa ho hye campaign team no ena yemu bi ho nso a ye wo kwada so constituency no no Kumasi metro constituency sa atwa kwada so ho ahia no ye no ye wo mre kakra sa mre no na ye se ye kan ho abom asana outreach team outreach no ye se ye be konfie mu edwa magazine tese ba bia nipa ewo bia yetumi kasa tre no ema eyeyi se de be a Nyame adoma enu 7 January na ye the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe ena eswan ekura kofuna mu a omo be mampanyi
was your way, former Tascon president, no. 21st clinic na ya kan for diama o ya se o Europe ni ama hodo aswa. Shawo no se obebuki appointment ntam. Sansa ya ba no ya san ho ya sansa ya chibiem. 0244 915 116 0244 915 116. Ene yankofo ama so de no. Ya se obi a woto asentini atwom. Ediaba na amro mu nemu hyehyew. E wojo ba bia anye no siateka yade e na ebo wonkaye. Owo kuma senso a obakwa Sean overseas junction one mo ben Alpha Radio. Oboase wo cancel quarters court junction and Crandome market obe hu wonom. Sunya na nkranza na tachima 0540 311311 0540 311311. Afa kwakwa maseta duro ne 3 core capsules. Eboa wo yisisi ade kwakwa ne ayamtim ade fiwo ma hoto papa kolena heba dan heba misty epidank 0546 107 0546 107 wonyamizo ene 5G a ewie ebekoye de ama papa enya asem keto ma yen Canada we no oton bia ani dwane kwantantam ekwa won haroso ma hoto tanya sika ede ku botom kwa 21st lake Sean overseas junction manager Daniel homo fanto so na memo numbers ne nkwantem ana sa frempanyimfo 0246 270221 0246 270221 Liberty Conference August edition in year 31st August na ebaso anapa no nsia na ya hyase Jubilee Park abusua dane de nyina meka de kire mesese afene bakona wie ya ehu nsem doso eni ti kauma kan wabusua fo mu hya wo yam na twedi ampokore ntaba na se wo mu nkohye hobi Liberty Conference o mahene yodu boache wono na egina mu se host afei ya jonto ya to nsade afre wonom owura kofi pepra wo ba bi yera kwaku jesi minister Kwame Jedu won nyina aka ho bi OCP Ghana Limited nie water fertilizers papa na ba dwama so dia na wo pe anade na wodua ya wonya fertilizer papa fanguso ekwoba no sa no wa ya na afibia dru bredru setwa bre na so wo twa no ba ya no a na ye bibie ho odon se guti e OCP fertilizers ano na ohia ye o ma hodo bebre ye OCP NPK 15 and I OCP NPK 10 emo bia no kwa bisa wono ba ya kro no mo nche ode gusu obeboa wo 0555 909437 0555 909437 Express Group na de wo tu kwan ya do ko Canada ibio US UK baby ya woda ya wo so da ye no waduru no ho ne pese ye do ko Express say wo de ne won mu ni nkomo ene wo to kasa no no mo a wo kosua de wo kwa kwa ye adwuma to holidays bi take it na wo pa Fabata wonum Kumasi was a full about and a Kumasi portrait about hey and crank Kaneshi first light 0249 000448 0249 000448 cloud internet and na ye can for diama say the fastest internet in the world no and a year Yera John Dramani Mahama press what the Wi-Fi beba school sumuni ade no when ka woni how sanse wo fie mu Wi-Fi na bi wo ho school bi wo ho enti won fa ma akura no a enso da how bi asa wo top high one love FM di hwani mu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 I was say agina wo so ye dan ho ne ba ye ne amane boni kwam redu ebedi nkomo
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eyayare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baby a wo mo ho frɛ 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo yɛ sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Piafoi afuye na saduru hobi mu enti wo dwedwe fertilizer afiwe uba yusu ana esan se afra se fertilizer wo to ye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nso do so e ma wo boka ene atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko awuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omoso edo legumes ebiti say soya beans, peanuts and beans omoso enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton ya yoma e wo man Ghana mu ha enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yegina ho Ghana ene Africa biayo
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se kwawunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to King's Walk Heba ne Heroes Heba Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Heba Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Green Light Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Heba ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Heba Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afeina me beko me nkrata krani
eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otedi mu sa no
oh Express Group Adarumenti akwentu ayefo opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind to say Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany say e to ana se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia and Germany mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Akwa Kumasi Asafule Baran about Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Oja sum kron moja. Yay! Edru hopiemu. Food for thought addition. Omayini ya wedubuachi. Onyame akuwa. Ofremu nyina. Se August. Onyame ne mu appointment. Asamo ayakasa ho. Ose there hit. Wo ifre asomafo samo. Etiadio no nwoche. Nyi mu miensa na David nyom. Etiadio wache baako. Nyi mu Jubilee Park. Kumase anopa no sia pepepepepe. Na de ubeye nie. Wase fa plain paper na plain sheet. Mienu. Dia nyina. Jogu baako so. Na Satan wo pepo jefunu media ha nyina. Yahye no wo baako aka ho. Eniema papa wo pese si wo wabrabo. Eno so kiro no wo so. Shane so sa eye candle. Akwankyere. Na fa wo candle baako ka ho. Na no na ye beso. Ye dia bompai. Liberty Conference August edition. The hit. Ye pepo mpai. Ye pepo. Na wonyame beties ni boy ni so. Omai ni ya wedubu ache. Na ho fedie. Ebe nyame made. Adwumtufo ni e. Ora kwaku jesi. Minister Kwame Jedu. Minister Kofi Pepra. One na bet so chom. Ahokeka kwan. The hit. August 31st. Proposi prempa obu adupoko. Calvary pema kokodrufo. Dear friend is that what sere domon. Wope Kenya ne ho. Ye be kaya tamfo. Egu. Oh glory. Hallelujah. One more time, everybody.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Abzan for esaso so mama kwa ba bioba Sompa television ye wi aprem te breka se so o broni afumantem ne mo a ha Sompa 98.9 FM se ebono iso so na wuti ene a Sompa 90.7 FM so na eja wasugusu yi na santimantem ne mpatam nyina so no Sompa 93.1 FM ye nto akase ne so emfa emamo ye de mo ekoso am interchange ne so yenim se Rango Ghana Limited for na AC interchange no e wo Kumase na yate se adwumayefo na ekire se o market ya nye enti free memenda no e de besi nne strike de nyasem keto ne demonstration yenko na yenua kwam redu a asemi ode na ni adi akira e free memenda ne besi nne yemusase bibi asesa na kwam ye mahan kwam mahan
ila majoso
na ene adwumayefo no maba wo 19 mu free macro ho no mo ba no a e de besi so amna about no so wo se workers no ho a omo eye adwuma no ana
Bibi ama menya se metumi akese sa be de afi na adwumayefo no ate omo ase kakra afi omo ate si kwa so omo ba adwuma no so na omo ba be adwuma na ni na ye se efi ni menda ba nsema hodo omo de tuga a kire se ehia wo mo no na mpenifo ehwe etu ada mo enfa mo no ene anopai ni eni se nka no property gwa na ni baba na se komotumi abaye bibia mo na so no the begu abaye nonkro ekono nduri nyina no na adwumayefo no eda so a omo ma adwuma na emunye bi sai no mo kire se ni se ni nti enam so ma mpenifo efi enkran aba se wo mo ba de chia won adwuma kasie ni mo a ewo kwode ehon mo ese sadene na enumu na aba beto je se sema hodo a omo editu mpenifo enyi na no mpenifo so omo ade atu eni nti omo nsamra na omo meye adwuma na mpenifo mu no ye se ye mo mu bia no omo hye omo bo se omo san aye na aye dia mo na enumu na ye bi se omo be kaya na no me nda omo tie tia no na ko ba se omo di bia bo bi akuma mu se ko ba se omo nkofo ni bi edan omo hu bia boni na oyi na de se oni adwumayefo nso ko ye adwuma omo abodia dia so eno nso so e na omo kire se asma omo di tuga ne kire se se nipa ni bi ya sobo kire dan wo ho dia na me bia bonu betimi enya no mo mo wo ya mpenifo no ma classes aka nsem no ma ase o ma so media eni omo nyina ana ade atu eni ti infection bi ni wono ma bi be fa ma dia no etimenya nti omo nko a ana omo nyina atumi aba ground se ye mpenifo eka no omo ase nti di ne bia metumi aka ne pe se kise so amra ba tira na migina me hu se adwumayefo no bi se omo ntare ejenjina hanu ma omo ekrekwe mfidie mu ekọ animu kakra ne be tire se ekwese dia mbetimi aye se anofa no dia na haye di ana bia enkoso no sa be dia mfidie etimi aba ama sa be no omo duso a omo ye etire se dia ya kan che omo nyina no omo apene so ade atu esa
mama me no wase na de aka no de akire ni binom ni di nkomo anwumre so hu na yasa so aba bagie da sepa yenu akwa mredu na ye call ne nchen ya contractors no mo yeso am interchange no ebeto odwefre me nda no a de eba se adwumayfo na dwalai se akatua ene nwana mu omode ye adwuma wo honom no nche da nkoyi nti se mpenimfo amfre wunum anka bibi pa bia ankyere wo mu ani adwuma no mo nkọ a ene yatese nkomo akoso amenne omo ekọ adwuma no ye de akire de bifa to bia yemfa nka me mo
ankwanhia bia si anra anopa ewo elmina fifi mantemu na efiti anra bapem nano ya tete se nipa num ana wonmo firi mu sankwanhia ya si yei Ashama Kumakomiensa Sprinter Bus ya the registration number IJR 6081-18 and articulator track hibi and also the registration number IJW 5416-24 and afei tipper track and also the registration number IGB 1592-22 na ramo kira sa junction bi a friend say atabaze Junction ehonum na sankwanhia ya esiye amunum wonum ano nipa miensa ana wo mu tie nananom wonsia do yankaye no yede wom kodru eye hospital no emienu enso kofiri mu aka ho ya ka sai dum judgmefo no wonum so koye ekokoye bi ade boy kodwetwatwae na de ahodo ya lokoloko a enipa binum ntimi MPA na ya na kasema for the ma Ghana National Fire Service ye won finfin mantamu DO3 Abdul Wasiu akasai amado nim de fasemi ho ochiri
mobilized themselves and extricated. Our men observed that there were 2 bodies already covered with cloth when they got to the scene. However, they did their scene assessment and went in and observed that 4 other bodies or 4 other people were trapped in the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter bus. So they quickly mobilized themselves and extricated these 4 and transported them with the other 2 to Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, where 5 of them were pronounced dead on arrival, and 1 was still was seriously injured, and he is being taken care of at the hospital. The cause of the accident is yet to be established by the Ghana Police Service, but what we know is that the Sprinter bus was traveling from Cape Coast towards Takoradi, whilst the tipper truck and the articulator trucks were heading towards from Takoradi towards Cape Coast when the accident happened at Atabazi Junction. The place of the incident is curvy. The road there is a curved road, so vehicle that is coming from opposite directions are likely not to see each other. But we cannot tell whether that was the cause of the accident, as we still wait patiently for the police to finish their investigation. However, what we have for drivers is that this particular road is very busy and small. We have heavy vehicles and long vehicles that are traveling.
Some ya asia won fifi mantemu nam so manipa num one much na nanom wan sia do na foforo bia prepra no ana ayete sa dum judgment ko no kasemafo ya won fifi mantemu DO3 Abdul Wasiu oboemu enchimu
abzanfo ye gina we so na wiye nsemo e papa no de babesom no ye de mo sia na ya sorry ama Sompa nkomo asom ato asokuku ane chinchin fidie ndema yen emrante de maba wo Sompa FM ne Sompa TV newsroom ya Grace akoso asomwa happy Reverend Edu Michael ene buzi no munyina etayechi ema bebia wo bia ne itimi baba besom me din ene na ya bo amali bia boga wi emene